Okay, we have written another integral from the MIT Integration Bee 1991 Finals Problem 4. We have the integral of x secant x times x tan x plus 2 dx. Okay, it's kind of interesting because we have secant and we have tangent, and those work well together. Usually you can get a u substitution, but it's just not really clear how to do it in this form and what we're doing with these x's here. So what I want to do to start is let's just multiply this in here and see what happens if we distribute everything out. So when I rewrite this, multiplying x secant times x tangent, this is going to give me x squared secant x tan x. And then just distributing in here to the 2, this is going to become 2x secant x. But now immediately I think this is starting to make more sense in this form, because if you look at x squared, the derivative of that is going to be just 2x. And if you look at secant x, the derivative of that is secant x tan x. So what we really have here is the product rule. So let's just take a quick look at our product rule. So if we have two things that we're multiplying together, f times g, and we take the derivative of this, we just need the derivative of the first times the second plus the first times the derivative of the second. So I think I'll start here with secant x, and we'll call this our f. So if we say f is going to be secant x, then the derivative of this f prime, that's again this piece right here. So that's going to be our secant x tan x. And then for g, that means we want our g to be x squared, and we'll just take the derivative of that. So the derivative of x squared is going to be just 2x, which we have right here. So now coming back to this formula here, we're saying if this whole thing is the product rule, then all this is the same as this here. But this is inside of an integral, so we can take an integral, but we'll do it on both sides. Now the integral here of a derivative, this is going to just return f times g. So since we have everything here in the right form here, we can just grab our f times g over here. So it's going to be this one and this one. So for my final solution for this, we're just going to have x squared secant x plus c, and that's it. Okay, there you have it. Good problem from MIT 1991. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a good day.